In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Control Center on Redmi 14C. If the Control Center style option isn't showing up on your device, don't worry. There's a simple way to make it appear using the built-in feedback tool, and then you can switch to the look you prefer. This works on Xiaomi devices running MIUI or hyperos, and the process is quick, with one part that may take a little time to take effect. Start by opening settings on your phone. Scroll until you find Service and Feedback and tap it. Here, choose Submit Feedback. In the issues field, type a clear message such as, "The control center option is not showing on my phone, please fix it." Keeping the wording straightforward helps the system recognize the request. Next, tap Select Item and choose Control Center so the report is tied to the correct feature. When prompted to select the time, pick the most accurate time the issue started, then tap OK. You'll be asked for a contact email. Enter a valid email address you can access. This is standard for feedback submissions. Now tap Send to submit your report. After that, tap Upload to send any related logs the system includes. If a small prompt appears asking for permission, select Don't Show Again, then tap Agree. That allows the app to complete the upload without nagging you next time. Now give it some time. These changes are processed on Xiaomi's side, and it can take a few hours for the control center style option to appear. Keep your phone connected to the internet during this period so the update can sync in the background. You don't need to keep the feedback screen open, just carry on using your phone as usual while you wait. After a few hours, head back to settings. Tap Notifications in Control Center, then scroll down and look for Control Center style. Open it and you'll see your choices. You can pick the old version if you prefer the classic compact toggles, or choose the new version for the modern layout with larger tiles and a cleaner look. Tap the style you like and it applies right away, and that's it. Done. You've successfully enabled and changed the control center style on your Redmi 14C running Xiaomi MIUI or HyperOS. If the option doesn't appear immediately, give it a little more time. It can take several hours depending on server updates. Once it shows up, you can switch styles anytime from the same menu. Enjoy customizing your phone to match your preferences.